I'm home.
Oh, I messed up.
Take it easy. It's okay. Let me show you my special. Steel steak.
But Dad, don't you work for a steel company?
Yup. Cooking is the same as doing my job. You need to be careful, patient, and most important of all, make an effort. Add ingredients in the right way. Watch carefully. Like galvanizing, you have to control the temperature, speed, and pressure. Then take a 5-minute break to keep the meat moist and juicy. Now grill for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you will see the perfect diamond.
Dad, you're the best. By the way, what does this have to do with your job?
Well, like my company, this is very important. You should always choose the best material in order to make the best.
Whoa, what smells so good? Mom, come to taste Dad's special.